Imagine stepping into a room where everyone instantly notices you, not just because of your looks, but because of the confidence and aura you exude. What if I told you that you could harness this power right from your phone screen? Welcome to the digital age, where your Instagram profile isn't just a collection of photos. It's your ticket to transforming your social life, dating prospects, and even your career. Let's embark on an exciting journey into the world of self-improvement, where we cover everything from building a jaw-dropping physique and perfecting your skincare routine to refining your fashion sense and keeping your grooming on point. We believe in a simple but powerful truth. When you look good, you feel good. In today's society, looking good isn't just an added bonus. It's a powerful tool that can open doors and create countless opportunities. But here's the twist. All the effort you put into transforming yourself won't pay off if you stay in the shadows. You need to step into the spotlight. And in this digital age, Instagram is your stage. Whether you want to spice up your dating life, widen your social circle, or catch the eye of potential employers, a well-crafted Instagram profile can be your secret weapon. The importance of an online presence. In today's digital age, your Instagram account has become a digital reflection of your social life. Whether we like it or not, having an online presence is nearly mandatory. Instagram stands out as the best and easiest way to cultivate this presence. Whether you're seeking dates, making new friends, or even job hunting, our lives have become increasingly digitized. People want to know who you are before they engage with you on any significant level. For example, if you meet someone and have a great conversation, it's now common practice to exchange Instagram handles to stay in touch. Many potential dates may feel hesitant and unsafe if you have no online presence. They want to verify that you're a real person with a genuine social life. Why you need a good Instagram profile. A well-crafted Instagram profile serves multiple pivotal purposes in today's interconnected world. Firstly, it acts as your personal branding platform, enabling you to shape how others perceive you. Whether it's potential dates, new friends, or prospective employers, your profile offers them an immediate glimpse into your personality and interests. A meticulously maintained profile not only makes you appear more approachable, but also fosters trustworthiness, setting a positive initial impression that can be crucial in various aspects of life. Thirdly, adapting to contemporary trends is essential for staying relevant and seizing opportunities in a digital-driven world. Social media, particularly Instagram, has become a pivotal platform for personal and professional growth. Establishing a strong presence on Instagram not only keeps you in sync with current societal norms, but also positions you to leverage its vast networking potential. In essence, it's about embracing the digital age proactively, ensuring that you not only keep pace with evolving trends, but also capitalize on them to enhance your personal and professional endeavors. Building a high-quality Instagram profile. Creating a high-quality Instagram profile is both an art and a science. Here are some essential guidelines to follow. Aesthetic profile. An aesthetic profile means your Instagram feed is visually cohesive and pleasing to the eye. This doesn't necessarily mean every photo needs to look the same, but there should be a clear, intentional theme or style that ties everything together. For some, this might mean sticking to a consistent color scheme, while for others, it could involve posting specific types of photos, such as travel shots, fashion looks, or lifestyle imagery. Authenticity is crucial. Your profile should reflect your true self. Take inspiration from profiles you admire, but make sure your own feed tells your unique story. If you're looking for more structured guidance, consider joining our Instamaxing exclusive community on Discord. There, you'll find in-depth guides, photography tips, and a curated list of inspiring profiles across various niches. High-quality photos. Instagram is fundamentally a visual platform, and the quality of your photos plays a huge role in your profile's appeal. High-quality, crisp, and well-composed photos are essential. This doesn't mean you need an expensive camera. Modern smartphones have excellent cameras. The key is to learn basic photography skills, such as lighting, composition, and post-editing. Practice taking photos of yourself, and don't hesitate to experiment with different angles and settings. Good photos can significantly increase your followers and engagement. Remember, it's not just about the camera, it's about how you use it. High-quality outfits. Fashion plays a pivotal role in your Instagram appeal. Your outfits should be stylish and reflect your personal taste. However, avoid falling into the trap of Instagram fashion, where certain looks might photograph well, but seem impractical or odd in real life. Aim for outfits that look good, both in photos and in person. This approach ensures that your profile remains authentic and relatable. Pay attention to details like fit, color coordination, and accessories. Fashion is not just about wearing trendy clothes. It's about presenting yourself in a way that feels genuine and confident. 4. Perception is everything. Contrary to what you might think, you don't need thousands of followers or a blue checkmark to have a great Instagram profile. What matters is the quality and authenticity of your content. Avoid common pitfalls such as following too many people compared to your follower count, buying fake followers, or posting spammy content. Aim for a balanced follower ratio with genuine engagement. This means interacting with your followers, responding to comments, and being active in your niche. Whether it's fashion, fitness, cars, or any other interest, being part of a community and participating actively will help you grow organically. Engagement and growth. Growing your Instagram following can seem daunting, especially if you're starting from scratch. Here are some strategies to help you gain followers and boost engagement. Use hashtags and engage. Hashtags are powerful tools for reaching a broader audience. Use relevant hashtags to categorize your content and make it discoverable to people interested in similar topics. Engage with other users by liking, commenting, and sharing their posts. This not only increases your visibility, but also encourages reciprocal interactions, helping you build a community of followers with shared interests. Post consistently. Consistency is key to maintaining and growing your Instagram presence. While you don't need to post daily, regular updates help keep your audience engaged. Use Instagram stories to share behind-the-scenes content, daily activities, or spontaneous moments. This keeps your profile active and provides followers with a more personal glimpse into your life. Remember, quality always trumps quantity. A few well-curated posts are more impactful than frequent low-effort updates. Set and forget. One of the best aspects of Instagram, particularly for guys, is that it doesn't require constant upkeep. Once you've built a solid profile with high-quality photos, you can adopt a set and forget approach. This means you don't need to post new pictures every day. Instead, focus on updating your story periodically with interesting and engaging content, like visiting a fancy restaurant, going on a trip, or attending an event. This approach keeps your profile dynamic without the pressure of constant posting. It allows you to enjoy the benefits of a strong online presence with minimal ongoing effort. In conclusion, your Instagram profile is not merely a digital snapshot of your life. It's a powerful tool that shapes perceptions, facilitates connections, and aligns you with modern trends. By curating a profile that authentically reflects your best self, you not only enhance your attractiveness to potential partners, friends, and employers, but also stay connected in an increasingly digital world. Embrace the opportunity to showcase your uniqueness and relevance, leveraging Instagram as a dynamic stage where your personal and professional aspirations can flourish. As you continue to evolve, let your profile be a testament to your journey towards self-improvement and a beacon of your presence in today's interconnected society.